Ukava wa kiuteti wa Linda Mwananchi unguo tongoi wa seneta wa kaunti ya Ilovi Edwin Sifuna ni wende na kusukumesya kwiyandikithia ta chama cheo cha kiuteti muthanyani wa umuthi maitambo kwa ofisini wa mwandikithia wa siama atongoi aya mainena na andiki mama uvo itina wa kikalocho na mwandikithia wa siama ni maweta kana unenania wo na mwandikithia uyu wiyulu wa kulewa kwa isitwa ya Linda Mwananchi na vala makoli otuyosu utone kukunikilwa yengi weu mwaka mwewe na mauvo.
Kundi ya kiuteti ya Linda Mwananchi umuthi ni osaitambia inene kwikithia kana ni andikithia ta chama na kwiyumbanisya unyuvani munene wa 2027. Atongo imai kundi ithi umuthi maitwa isya kikalo kimwanya na mwandikithia wa siama tina wa isitwa yo ya Linda Mwananchi kulewa ni mwandikithia uu wa siama nundu wa kwithiwa thivuanana na jingi. Ainena itina wa umbano mujumbe wa kiliombunge cha Suba ya Ithio Karoli Omondi ni waweta kana mwandikithia wa siama ni wetikila kukunikila yingi utu wake wa kulea kuandikithia chama ki na vala ukamanenga usungyo bewa chumwa ki kuthela.
As principals and members of Linda Mwananchi, we came here this morning to engage with the Registrar of Political Parties regarding the reservation and registration of our name, Linda Mwananchi Movement. You will recall that we had made an application for that name and we received a letter declining the registration on account of public interest. So we came to engage with the registrar on the interpretation of the law, in particular Section 8 of the Political Parties Act. We must say that the registrar received us very well and we have had very cordial and extensive discussions with him. There is no reason to refuse the registration of the name Linda Mwananchi Movement. And we have agreed that he will now review his decision and before the end of the week, he will get back to us with his final decision on the matter.
Mbano wa Linda Mwananchi na mwandikithia wa siama uyuka kavindane kaa mutia wa uteti wa mwaka wa 2027 wende na ukwata mwaki. Nilivotia vilingi wa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.